This recipe does require a little bit of chopping. It still comes together really fast and you don't dirty a lot of dishes. As you can see, I've halved my tomatoes, I've chopped my zucchinis, sliced the peppers, the onions are ready, and everything is pretty much the same size so they can all cook evenly. They're all gonna go into this bowl, but first I'm going to toss them with some olive oil and my Arriba seasoning. It's my homemade all-purpose taco seasoning that's more smoky than spicy, and you're gonna love it. All right, the veggies are coated with olive oil and seasoning, and we just transfer them to the baking sheet. We bake them for about 10 minutes and we give them a quick stir. At the 15-minute mark, we remove the tray from the oven to add the black beans and corn and the juice from 1 lime. We stir this and continue to roast the veggies for an additional 10 minutes until all the veggies are tender. While the veggies finish cooking, I'm gonna prepare the rest of the ingredients. You can warm up your tortillas in the oven with the veggies in the final minutes by placing them in some foil paper. It's 2-for-1 cooking. I'm going to coarsely chop my cilantro and crumble cotija cheese, which you can find in the refrigerated section in most grocery stores near the sour cream. But if you can't find cotija cheese, use goat cheese or feta. Now, all we have to do is place some of the veggies onto a tortilla, top it with some of the cheese, and a little more cilantro. It's almost too pretty to eat. No words. I wish you could taste this. These roasted veggies have that caramelized, savory flavor with the tangy, creamy cheese all wrapped up in a warm tortilla. It's almost too much. Make sure to check the description box below this video to grab the recipe and a copy of the Taco Tuesday cookbook.